Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. So I'm coming at you today with a awesome fun video, and I challenge every single one of you to do this. So my upline for Unique challenged all of us to do the tinfoil challenge. I had no idea what it was, had never heard of it. I still don't know who the first people was to create it, so shout out to whoever actually created it because this is hilarious. But my Unique one, this is gonna be bad like regardless. I would love to see somebody do a good job on it, but there's no way that I'm going to, and that is perfectly fine with me. I do good to get makeup on my face, period, let alone to put it on like something that doesn't even have a face and then have to transfer it to my face. But anyways, rambling, blah blah blah. So what you do is you take a piece of tin foil and you're going to draw your face on it how you would with your makeup. So you're going to put your makeup onto the piece of tin foil and apply it the exact same way as you would apply it to your face. Challenging, right? So you need to start like in reverse of how you would normally do it. That way your foundation is the last thing that touches your skin, or rather the first thing that touches your skin, and like everything else is going to be under the foundation, so it's going to go on like, you know, like it normally would. So I am going to be doing that today, and I challenge every single one of you to do it too. Trust me, it's going to be a blast. You don't have to do it in a video or anything. You can do it with your friends, or you can do it in a video. It's totally up to you. It's going to be so much fun. So let's get started. So what you need is some tin foil. I have this great value tin foil because we cheap and that's how we roll. So I've got a pretty big head. So I need a pretty good sized piece of tin foil, and I'm going to use a clipboard to set it on because the video that we had watched to see how to do this, they actually had a surface to lay it down, and they were able to film while they were laying it down and film their faces too. I work by myself here. I don't have that kind of setup, so I'm just going to be holding it in my hand like this. Okay? Okay. So I think I'm going to cheat and use all cream products because it's going to transfer the best. And I've got this little palette right here. You can buy this thing on like eBay or Amazon, but it's got every shade in it that I believe that I'm going to need to create the face, and then I'll just use, you know, something else for the lashes and eyeshadow and all of that good stuff. So we are going to start with the face now. We're going to start with the eyes first. So for the eyes, I'm going to use this LA Colors brow pencil, and I'm going to draw my brows on. Just think of how awesome it would be if this was like an actual thing. So I'm going to draw one eyebrow like right here. And the thing is, you're supposed to try to do a good job. That's the tricky part, because this is really hard. So there is one eyebrow, and then I've got about almost 3 fingers space between my brows. So the other one, I'm going to start it about right here. These are not even like, we know that eyebrows are never gonna be twins, but they're like not even sisters. I think that my upline said that they were cousins in her video, and I don't even know if we can call them cousins, but they are there. So there's the brows. Let's see here. Next, I think we're going to do eyeshadow, and I've actually got a little color corrector inside of this palette, and it's like a hot pink shade, or like not hot pink, but it's pretty hot pink. So Pepto pink, we'll call it Pepto pink. So I'm just going to use that for my eyeshadow if it will show up. That's going to show up a little bit. Hey. It's showing up. And you know what? I'm half tempted to apply some green too. I'm not sure about this, y'all. I feel like I made my eyes too far apart. I think we got off to a bad start, but we're gonna work with it. Alright, now we are going to contour the face and add some blush too. So I'm just gonna use that same pink for my blush. And we're gonna put it like right here. I'm gonna put it right there. Can y'all see? Looks like we got 2 sets of eyes so far. That's what I'm seeing. I am seeing 2 sets of eyeballs. And then we're just going to take the foundation side, and I'm going to take this, I guess like a medium tone brown, and we're going to carve out, actually let's take the darkest brown, why not? We want to be able to see it. So we're going to carve out these cheekbones. Y'all, I am just not feeling confident about this. Which side is this? This side? I just don't know. And then, of course, I need to contour out the nose. So there's our nose contour. And for lips, we're going to use a super creamy liquid suede. That's what we're going to use. So lips are going to go like right here. And we got tiny little bird lips over here. But you know what the problem with this right here I'm already seeing is? You know what? How the heck did the contour get below the dang lips? How did I do that? Oh well. Oh well. So we are going to take some mascara now and apply it up here where the lashes would go. So here's what our face is looking like. It's almost as wide as my head. And then we are going to add on some foundation. So we got some foundations. And I'm just going to use this brush because this is going to look hot. We are going to be looking like super hot. This thing is looking like Mr. Dinkles off of Trolls. Oh no, I smeared my mascara. Oh, the tragedy. Alright, so we got everything all blended and smooth. Now let's see how we did. Once you have it on your foil, now comes the fun part. You have to stick it to your face and see how well you know your face shape. So here we go. Big reveal. The contour is almost in the right spot. The lips, we got on the lips, hey! Everything else looks horrible. Actually, the whole thing looks horrible, but that is the point. It's just supposed to be something super fun to do because it's just supposed to be something super fun. So, I challenge you to do this. challenge. And I look forward to seeing it. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Do you think you can do better? Because I'm gonna hold you to it. I want to see you do it. But that is all, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. It is free and we can be friends. And yeah, there's lots of crazy stuff that happens on this channel all the time. You just never know what to expect. So I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and bye for now.